Okay. To pay for this, and then the diving is where the journey begins. Welcome to the heart of Genting Highlands. Today, we are diving into the fun-filled world of Adventureland, tucked inside the incredible SkyAvenue Mall. From thrilling rides to colorful games, this indoor theme park is packed with surprises for all ages. Whether you are here for a family day out or just escaping the clouds, Adventureland has it all. So buckle up, the adventure starts now. Right. This is another station. Coming here. Another station. This station is Genting Station. All these people are this place. Some of them are also staying here because they have hotels and everything there. So it's like a whole city, right? Yeah, it's like a whole city. And so if you are going back, this is where you come to. It's the same route. If you are going back, you just come here and pay for your ticket, and then join the cable car again. I think they are creating a new thing here. So let's see. Yes, you see how I'm Studios. So they built this place just for tourism. Yes, people come here. It's as I said earlier, it's like a whole city, right? People come here to have fun, have stalls, shops, boutiques, and all those things. It's amazing how some leaders will do that, and then ours, I think they need prayers. You just have to pray for them.
Put your hands together for Jesus.
So this is Handini Concept Store. Yeah, this is also a shop. I'm sure most of the people come here just for tourism sake. Few people, I guess it's the workers. So this is Genting. They have dinosaur world. Isn't this amazing? Oh my God! Look at this. Look at this magnificent. Anyway, I saw it my first time coming here. I saw it. It's really beautiful. That is why I decided to come here. It's really beautiful. I think I have to create just video for this place. So all this place is the Genting Highlands. So as I said earlier, it's just created for tourism. It's created for those. They have created a whole city on its own. I'm praying that we'll have investors to come and do this thing just for tourism. People are patronizing it. Look, they are selling cars there, restaurants. People are eating. So all these things can be made done. Let's hope and pray you get investors for that. Zip line landing. Maybe I will come and try this thing. We will go back. Come and try zip line. And so we have all these shops here. Good. So this is Genting. We are still coming to you from Genting Highlands. it's mind shattering. Some people will say that it is hours are just relaxing and chopping using cars. You see what I'm talking about? Look at the whole thing. This is crazy. Yeah, so I'll be going to the adventure land too. So all these people are here to have fun, to create memorable experiences, memorable stories. So it's like about something building to. I'll go down and get it. Yeah, so this is Genting Highlands. And so the station I came from, the first station is Awana Station, and this is SkyAvenue. It's mall. What? So yeah, so this is the middle of the mall, and you can see people buying stuffs, then food. Also selling cars here. So you just have to come and experience it. Write in the comment box if you would want to try visit Malaysia to try this place. Yeah, so this is Genting Highlands. They have a lot of places. So yeah. So this is the Adventureland, Genting Highlands, SkyAvenue, and you see this elephant. I don't know why most of these Asian countries they like elephant like that, especially in Thailand. Thailand is their symbol. It's crazy. So this elephant is in front of the Adventureland. Yeah, so as you can see, this is Adventureland. So let's try and enter and see things that we can see there. Because the name suggests Adventure Island. We have Jurassic Park and everything. Okay, there is another elephant. The elephant is moving. Yeah. The elephant is moving around. So they have a lot of stuff to do. Pizza Huts. I have to go and enjoy pizza. To go for the train station. If you come here and you want to be in the train to move around, you have this trains. It's like right. So you just get to that place. Just move around. You have if you have watched Odysseus, these are some of the things you can do there. As you are in the Jurassic Park, in Adventureland, you can do all these things, all these type of games. So that's Genting Highlands. It is enjoying your massage at 28 minutes, 51. Your special massage. Oh, so you put your feet in the water because you're enjoying the. Is this for a kiss? Jungle. This is for this. Zombie outbreak. Zombies, oh zombie. So this is Genting Highlands. So when you get to the Genting, see the fire. This is a adventure land. So you have all these type of games, artifacts. Just beautiful. Yeah, so try and comment. Write it in the comment. But would you want to visit Malaysia and come to this place? So you use a cable car, and then when you come here, you have a lot of activities to do. Right. So after the cable car, that is a whole experience on itself. And then when you come here to, you have all these activities for you. Don't you like it? It's beautiful. So these people are also moving around in the bus. I don't know if you have to pay for it. So anyway, when you come and you want to enjoy it, you can ask for it. If you have to pay, or you just need to enjoy the sea. And yeah, so our brothers are also enjoying the Jurassic Research Center. So you can come with your children too, and they have a lot of games to enjoy. All these things are available for children, and I guess even adults enjoy some. They have bigger ones for adults. So they have a good place too. So at the adventure land, it's also on a whole level. So everything about this place is magnificent. Everything about this place it's beautiful. It's mind-boggling, and I'm hoping and praying that everybody will come and enjoy this thing. It's really amazing. Yeah. So believe it or not, auditorium, Genting Highlands. Believe it or not. Yeah. So it tells you the things that you're going to see there. You can choose to believe it or not. That's up to you. So this is amazing Wonderland. It's Adventureland. That's the name of the place. So your children can even use to learn how to drive. Yeah. Yeah, so let's go and see other places at the Adventureland. So this is a Formula fan by Chachi. This is also it's a toy world. So this is just Adventureland. Adventureland, Genting Highlands, SkyAvenue. So this is Adventureland Ring, and we'll be going to the other places. So all these games are available. Okay. And so when you hit it, it gives you some recording. 200 for 4,509. 4,509. So when you hit it, that's what you get. It's indeed adventure. So you can also pay for this. And then Chinese promise name class. What is that? What is that game? This is another game at the Adventureland. So at Adventureland, when you come here, it's a whole ball game together. It's on another level, right? The Adventureland. Now, so the bar still you need to pay. So that's the price of it. And this is the train. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is Adventureland at SkyAvenue, Genting Highlands. So they have different parts of this place. We will go into the other place too. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And yeah. Yeah, so guys, this is Adventureland, and isn't this beautiful? It is magnificent. It is amazing. Everything about this place. So this is one wing of the SkyAvenue. They have different places. So the SkyAvenue, they have different places, and this is Adventureland, like the one you watched earlier. So this is inside the Adventureland, and yeah. So we're going to end here for the Adventureland. I'm going to eat now. I have to eat. I'm hungry. So I'm going to pizza. I'm going to pizza and I'm going to buy pizza. And yeah, so catch me in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get a lot of experience, a lot of videos from Malaysia. Yeah, so see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.